Are you still switching between ChatGPT, Google, and dozens of tabs just to complete one task? What if your browser could actually do the work for you instead of just helping you search? Today, I'm testing Tabbit AI Browser, and I'm going to show you a complete workflow using chat, skills, AI agent, and even the skills market. Let's get started. Let's say I want to create a YouTube video about AI browsers. Normally, I would open multiple tabs, search different websites, copy content into ChatGPT, write prompts again and again, manually organize everything. This easily takes 30 to 40 minutes. Now, let's do the same thing inside Tabbit. Tabbit Chat also supports useful features like @mentions, making collaboration and organization easier inside conversations. Analyze the latest trends in AI browsers and explain why users are switching from traditional browsers. Result: clear trends, reasons for switching, structured explanation. This already saves time because there's no need to search multiple websites. Prompt 2. Act as a content strategist and generate 5 high-performing YouTube video ideas about AI browsers. Result: strong clickable ideas, audience-focused topics, ready-to-use video concepts. These are instantly usable ideas. Now, here's the smart part. The prompts we used in chat, like AI research and YouTube ideas, can also be turned into skills. This connects the chat and skills workflow together. So instead of rewriting the same prompts every time, you can save them as reusable skills. Instead of writing a long prompt every time, you can simply use /summarize. Result: instantly converts content into key bullet points, removes unnecessary details, gives quick, readable insights. This makes repeated workflows much faster and easier. Long research, short summary, clean and structured, perfect for fast research. /email: write a professional collaboration email for a brand deal. Result: proper subject, clean format, professional tone, ready to send instantly. /xpost: create 3 engaging social media posts about AI productivity tools. Result: scroll-stopping hooks, platform-ready content, quick skill listings. You can also quickly browse different skills like YouTube script, SEO generator, research assistant email writer, social post creator, meeting summary. This makes repetitive work much easier. AI agent, real automation. Now this is the biggest difference. Agent is not chat. Agent equals automation inside the browser. Purpose: multi-step task automation. Go to 3 different websites about AI browsers, extract key information, compare them, and generate a final report. Result: Tabbit opens websites, collects data, processes information, creates final report. This is not just answering, it's actually doing the work. Agent workflow, content creation. Research AI productivity tools, gather key points, and generate a complete YouTube script. Result: research done automatically, content structured, script generated. This replaces multiple tools completely. Find trending AI tools, collect their features, and organize them into a comparison format. Result: data collection, sorting, final structured output. Final result: after Tabbit. Before, 30 to 40 minutes. After, 5 to 10 minutes. And everything happens inside one browser. No switching, no copy-paste. Tabbit is not just a browser. It's a complete AI workflow system where chat helps you think, skills help you execute faster, agent does the work for you, skills market gives you ready-made solutions. If you want to save time and actually upgrade your workflow, Tabbit is definitely worth trying. I've also shared my skill in the skills market. You can find it using the keyword or link in the description. Click the link in the description to download Tabbit now.